Thought I'd give you a look at what I'm up to today. It's a Nissan Navara D21 diesel 4-wheel drive with a clutch problem, the guy said. So I'll just give you a look at this clutch. As you can see, the throw-out bearings collapsed. Oil all over the clutch. Where'd that oil come from? We wondered what was going on because the bell housing itself was elastic to the engine, obviously to stop the oil from coming out. Thought it was a rear main, but the rear main was all good. This is the seal off the snout of the box, the throw-out bearing support. Sits in there. There's a new one. Sits in like that. As you can see, there's not much left of that one. And my whole thing is that, okay, so it had an oil leak, okay, so it's done that to the clutch, blah blah blah, but how do you not notice this? That's the front bearing off the input shaft. How do you not hear that? How do you not hear this? How do you not hear the noises that will be coming out of this? There's a synchro. You've got to be deaf. Like, here's the energizers. They're all broken in half. The springs are all popping out. I've got to see the springs there. That's for the energizers. Yeah. How do you not hear that? You know, things make noises for a reason. That could have been an easy repair. Seal in the front of the box. Another clutch. And the job would have been done. But no, it's going right past it now. That's the output shaft. The main shaft, as you can see. She's pretty knackered too. Anyway. Pay notice to all these noises that come out of your motor cars, people. You can save yourself a lot. You could save yourself money like this person could have done by checking their water. A little cruiser now. We did an estimate. We're figuring that you might not be able to see that yet. So I've got my torch now. Anyway. We don't need to rebore him. It'll go with a hone, another set of pistons. $3,500 later. That's what it's going to be for this person. And they've still got a year to pay this thing off yet. They don't own it yet, so they've got to fix it. I understand that. But anyway, that's what happens. Pay attention. Listen to the noises. Avoid the drama. Be checking you later.